all I can say is that it was a very innovative way to communicate a very impactful message there. We all know for sure that there is something that we all can make some little adjustments here and there, which can have a much bigger impact largely on the community as a whole or even as the planet as a whole. And it was an immediate realization that I also have to bring in some changes in me, the way I manage things around me. And I know for sure that I'll be able to bring in that change within me also and then impact the community as well.
Concept that can trigger a lot of inquisitiveness in you, that can create curiosity in you, and certain aspects that we were not aware about are open up. So initially we started with a perspectivity game. That's a very unique game जिसमें हमने सीखा कि how we can be more environment friendly and less towards pollution making things. और ये चीज़ हम रोज़िंदा ज़िंदगी में हम करते हैं पर हमको इस चीज़ के बारे में मालूम नहीं होता है। तो ये गेम एक बहुत सुंदर तरीका है लोगों तक पहुंचने का और उनको बताने का कि आप कैसे अपने आजू बाजू हो रहे डिज़ास्टर्स, पॉल्यूशन, बीमारी, इन सब चीज़ों को आप कैसे कम कर सकते हो, थोड़ा अवेयर होके, थोड़ा कॉन्शियस होके। एक बहुत ही सुंदर गेम था। और उनका दूसरा सेशन था टाइनी एक्शंस एंड जायडेंटिक रिपल्स। दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट। तो हमारी छोटी छोटी आदतें जो हम बदल सकते हैं हमारी रोज़िंदा ज़िंदगी में, हम एक एक दो चीज़ कम करके हम कैसे बड़े एक्शंस को हम जायडेंटिक रिपल्स ला सकते हैं, तो वो हमने सीखा। So this has opened many horizons for us.
Today was an experience which made us all feel something through an example of a game, and we were actually divided into two teams having less idea on what will be thrown our paths. So it was a wonderful game. We had to generate maximum revenue, and there were hurdles during the games, and each team tried their best. Forgetting the fact that there could be different consequences in the game. So maybe we were waiting for the end, and we were waiting for the results to know what was it all about. But later on, after the game, when we went into the discussion, the entire concept of this session was to make us realize that what small things can lead to, small changes in our lives, which we kind of do not realize in our day-to-day busy routines. Giving up on a cup of tea, giving up on a pair of clothes, in a year, maybe in a month or whatever. But I think it is very important for everyone of us to realize that. And through this session, what these people do, they are making us bring a change in our lives, in the lives of others. And I think this is really a fantastic effort from all of them, and a very positive change towards the society.